It is Automation Masters Blue Cheese Signals. And as we were getting into the New York Open, we came through with two instruments, an instant buy on DE30, Germany 30, and an instant buy on US Tech 100. Let's see how the two signals progressed. Looking at here, a few minutes after sending the instrument, we then had our DE30 shooting straight 90% to a take profit one, and then an instruction was given to trail SL, bring it slightly above enterprise in order to run a risk-free trade. How beautiful is that? And also modify TP1 to TP2. DE30 instant buy immediately hit take profit one, champagne's bottle popping, fire emojis, lighting, clapping hands. You know what we're talking about. Nas100 followed suit, showed up, take profit got hit even before we could modify our take profit one to take profit two. So I had to open another buy over there, and then after we opened those buys, we continued shooting up with this Nasdaq trade. And then after that, we gave an update on DE30 Euro. The instant buy successfully hit our take profit one. These are powerful signals. If you're looking to join them, it's 500 Rands weekly subscription. It is 1,000 Rand monthly subscription. And then you get to enjoy 3 sets. Morning, we're sending London market session open signals. Afternoon, we do the New York open signals, and then in the evening we do the pre-New York close signals. Trades continue shooting up. Nasdaq 100 short 90% to our take profit 2. How beautiful is that? As we're still looking at that, DE30 short 95% to take profit 2, and then both DE30 and Nas100 instant buy trades successfully hit our take profit points. And then at this moment, was when we were dancing because we've secured a very big bag with these two instruments. After that, our Nasdaq instant buy trade successfully hit all our take profits, that being 1, 2, and take profit 3. And then we were done for the day. The markets did us a big favor. It was a very easy trading session. We're looking forward to getting you on board, joining this automation movement. It is the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. If you want to get the robot, it's 2,500 Rands monthly subscription, 7,500 Rands yearly subscription, and 15,000 Rands lifetime ownership. But if you can't afford that, take Signal subscription, 500 Rands weekly, and 1,000 Rand monthly subscription. Simply text me on WhatsApp and we'll get you automated. Let's go get it. It's time to trade. Little Helen the Center.